Wow, this store is so big. I'm not sure where to get my items. My legs hurt, my arms hurt, and I could be doing other things at home. If only there was a better way for me to quickly get my favorite groceries delivered from my favorite stores.
Hi, my name is Swapnil.
My name is Priyanka Day, and you are here to present GTab.
Grocery shopping can be a hassle. It is often time-consuming, and it is often difficult to find the cheapest price of a particular good. Our product is designed for users who do not have the time or access to grocery shop on a regular basis.
Our solution is the GTab, the grocery tablet built for ease of access and customization. Users can choose their own groceries, their own vendors, and with a click of 2 buttons, they can get their groceries orders directly to their home.
Before we begin our project demonstration, let's take a look at how the tablet functions via a block diagram. The GTab display screen shows all the items and vendors a user has customized via the grocery tablet website. Using the tactile rubber dome buttons, a user selects which items they would like to order. Via a Java API call, the price for each of these items is then retrieved. The GTab then displays the object the user is about to order on the display screen. He or she will be asked to confirm, either proceed or cancel the order. The order will then be stored in our website and eventually be sent to the vendors.
The first part of our technical demo is the website. In the website, there are 3 main sections: the item selection, the vendor selection, and current order. With the item selection page, you can choose 3 of your favorite items and use those as your preferred items in the GTab. For our current situation, we'll use Bounty, Charmin, and Oranges, and we'll just set the items. After item selection, you can move on to vendor selection. Here you can choose your 4 favorite shops around you that either deliver or are setting up a delivery system to get those groceries to you. Our current choices will be ShopRite, Costco, Trader Joe's, and Sam's Club. Finally, we'll look at the current order. The current order page looks at the last order that you've done from the GTab. In this case, it's Charmin from Walmart for $7, and this will change depending on what the last order you did on the GTab was. And now we can move on to our physical demo of the actual GTab tablet. Over here we can see that there are 4 buttons on the side and 4 buttons on the bottom. These top 3 buttons on this side represent your 3 chosen preference items. As mentioned before, we chose Bounty, Charmin, and Oranges. With these 4 bottom buttons, we see the 4 vendors that we'd also previously chosen. So ShopRite, Costco, Sam's Club, and Trader Joe's. This final button on the side is what we refer to as the sale button. What the sale button does is we use an algorithm to take the item that you first choose and match it with the lowest price from any of your vendors. Then we automatically choose that vendor and send the order so that you can get your lowest price. So let's do an example order. For example, if we choose Charmin from Costco, it will show that we have chosen Charmin from Costco for $8. And if we confirm our order, we can check our order over here on our website in the current order page. This current order page will now show that you have chosen Charmin from Costco for $8. Now let's see how our sale button works. If we choose Oranges at a sale price, we'll see that it says that oranges can be found at $2 from a certain store. So we'll simply confirm our order, and if we check our current order in our website, we see that oranges could be found from ShopRite at $2. We can also confirm that this was our cheapest price by looking at our GTab. So oranges, if we had tried to get that from Costco, that would have come out to $4. If we had tried to get oranges from Sam's Club, that would have come out to $6. And if we tried to get oranges from Trader Joe's, that would have come out to $5. So what we see here is that our sale button finds the cheapest option for you from your current vendors, which we can also show by choosing oranges from ShopRite, which gives us $2.
Let's take a quick look at how the GTab hardware functions via a block diagram. The tactile buttons, which in our circuitry simply act as switches, are connected to some external circuitry, which helps us determine which item and/or vendor was selected. This information is then sent to our Raspberry Pi microcontroller, which is also connected to a display screen. The Pi is powered using a power bank. Via Wi-Fi, we are able to access our web-enabled applications and make changes to information stored in our databases, and send the final order to the vendors. For this project, we used not only electrical and computer engineering skills, but also civil. As part of designing the product, we 3D printed our tablet. Using a software called Tinkercad, we designed both the box and the lid for the tablet. We designed the tablet such that it would fit all our components, especially the power bank, the Raspberry Pi and screen, and our PCBs, printed circuit boards. Because our tablet was larger than the standard printing size, we had to split our CAD design into 3 separate parts, each for the bottom part of the box and the lid. As part of marking period 3 and marking period 4, we went through several box designs to find an optimal lid mechanism and proper sizes for fitting all our components. The entire final job took over 17 hours. After assembling all of the parts together, here is our final box.
We hope GTab can fulfill your everyday grocery needs.
Thank you for